Hey guys, I'm Mark, and welcome to another episode of Marcato's Reviews and How To's. In this episode, I'm going to show you my top favorite iOS 14 features. Let's get started. All right, and as you can see here, so personally, I use an iPhone 8, and these features work amazing. The phone is still pretty flawless. I know the newer ones are better, I'm just pretty cheap. The older I get, the cheaper I get with phones. And I am happy with this update because I was always an Android geek. And I can say Apple is finally catching up. So, the number one feature that I wanted to start off with is Apple's new widgets. So, you could either go to the home page here, if you swipe all the way to the left, you could hold in any of the widgets you like, hit edit home screen, and it'll bring you over there. Or if you go to a blank spot on your home screen, you could hold it in. And if you hit that little plus in the upper right corner, you will have options to put widgets on the home screen. So there you go. Podcast, boom. There you go. Promoting my other channel again. And then if you go all the way to the right, you have an app library, which a lot of people, now this is personal preference. Me, I still set up my apps on the home screen, but a lot of people started doing a thing where you could only, they only put widgets on their home screen and just use their app drawer because it's automatically categorized pretty nice. And you could just search whichever app you're looking for. And then one of my favorite features too is the phone calls. So now they're finally on par with Apple, with Android rather. When someone calls, as you could see here, it does not close out what you're doing. It doesn't take up the whole screen. It'll just show up at the top of the screen like you see here. And that's great for when you're playing a game or doing something and you don't want to be interrupted. Personally, I love it. That was one of the things I missed about Android when I switched to iPhone. And I did personally, I went back to iPhone 2, 3 months ago. So I guess I lucked out. Also, too, the final thing I wanted to show you that I could show is if you go to your settings, Apple finally has the ability to let you choose your default browser. So you could make a third party browser your main browser, which, if you're like me and almost everybody these days, everyone prefers Google Chrome for the most part. So if you scroll down to Chrome, right there you go. You could click right here, default browser, and that's where you could change it. And then, obviously, what that means is instead of having everything automatically open Safari, like the browser, whether it be on Facebook or an app, it'll switch it to whatever you like. And for me, that's Google Chrome. But yeah, any third party browser you have could work with that, which is pretty awesome. And then the other few features that I thought were cool that probably won't matter to most people. Siri is 20 times more knowledgeable than previously, which is always good. And yeah, I mean, there's a lot of cool stuff. There's other features too where if you have NFC on your car handle. You could set the phone to unlock your car. If you have a wireless charger built into your car, you could set it to start the car. I mean, they're going all out this year. I don't know what's going on with them not including the charger with the iPhone 12 BS, but yeah, I mean, so those are, I guess you could say, the visuals, my top four iOS 14 features. I hope this helped you guys out. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you, and have a great weekend. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and share with all your friends. Thank you, and have a great day.